And the next award is for HT India's most stylish male.
And to present this award, we would like to invite
Actors Shriya, Saran and Ankush Kaul, Chief Business Officer, Ambience Group.
And the award goes to Ayushmann Khurrana.
Thank you HT, thank you Sonal Kalra, and thank you my stylist Isha Bhansali for my style evolution. India's most stylish. I thought what would be the nomenclature, like clutter breaker, heartbreaker, trendsetter, home wrecker. Again, for the first time, India's most stylish sounds the best. And thank you so much for everything. And I think fashion is just like music, poetry, movies, an expression of art. And you wear mood most of the times. And yeah, still learning. पढ़ाई चल रही है जिंदगी की, बस्ता अभी उतारा नहीं है. Thank you.
वाह, क्या बात.